When most people think of home safety, they picture two things: locked doors and smoke detectors. But in reality, most modern safety threats are either silent, invisible, or entirely preventable if you catch them early. From a water leak in the basement to a back door left open while you're away, the real danger often isn't just what happens. It's what you don't notice until it's too late. In this lecture, we will learn why traditional safety tools aren't enough anymore, and how smart safety shifts your role from reacting to preventing. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand how home safety threats have evolved beyond break-ins, recognize the key gaps that traditional safety methods often miss, learn what smart home safety actually means and how it works. The big shift in home safety. In the past, home safety was passive. You'd install a deadbolt, test your smoke alarm once a year, and hope for the best. But today, threats are more complex. You might have packages stolen from your doorstep while you're at work. A small leak behind your washing machine might go unnoticed until it becomes a $5,000 repair. Your child opens a window on the second floor while you're in another room. You forget to close the garage at night and wake up to a break-in. Most of these aren't emergencies until they are. Smart safety is about getting ahead of those moments. So, what is smart home safety? Smart home safety means using connected devices like sensors, alarms, and real-time alerts to monitor risks and take action before something goes wrong. Unlike traditional setups, smart systems can detect problems early: smoke, gas, water, movement. Send alerts to your phone no matter where you are. Trigger automatic actions: turn off water, call emergency services, lock doors. Help you check your home remotely, whether you're at the office or on vacation. According to a 2023 survey by SafeWise, homes with basic smart safety devices were 3 times more likely to detect and respond to emergencies within 10 minutes compared to traditional setups. Example: let's say you're out for the day. A pipe under your sink starts leaking. You wouldn't know until water is pooling across the floor. But if you had a smart leak detector, it would send an alert to your phone within seconds. Some systems even shut off the water automatically. The result? A $30 device saves you from a $3,000 headache. The 4 big safety gaps smart homes fill. Traditional homes often miss early warning signs until it's too late. Smart technology bridges that gap by catching problems sooner and communicating faster. Unattended access. Smart door and window sensors alert you instantly if something's left open right now, not hours later. Invisible hazards. Smart CO and gas detectors send real-time alerts before symptoms appear, protecting you from what you can't see or smell. Delayed emergencies. Leak detectors and temperature monitors catch flooding or freezing issues early, so you don't return home to a disaster. Lack of communication. Smart alerts reach your phone instantly, not just through a beeping alarm that you might miss. The passive versus smart safety comparison. Traditional safety tools are passive. They rely on you being there to see or hear a problem. Smart safety tools, on the other hand, give you real-time updates, even when you're not home. For example, instead of just locking your front door, a smart safety setup might include a door sensor that sends an alert to your phone if the door is left open. A traditional smoke alarm beeps when it detects smoke, but only if someone hears it. A smart smoke alarm not only sounds the alarm, but also sends a mobile notification or even calls your phone to make sure you know what's happening. When it comes to checking on pets or kids, many people do this manually by peeking in or calling home. A smart home uses cameras or motion sensors with two-way audio, so you can see and talk from anywhere in real time. Lastly, where traditional homes might have a paper list of emergency contacts on the fridge, a smart home system can store those contacts in a shared mobile app where everyone in the household has instant access during an emergency. Smart safety doesn't replace the basics, but enhances them with awareness and speed. Smart safety isn't about fancy tech, it's about practical awareness. It fills the gaps that locks, alarms, and good habits can't always cover on their own.